Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application opens, make sure to locate and open the presentation that you want to work with. This will serve as the canvas on which you integrate your video. Moving forward, you want to access the set of tools that will help you embed multimedia into your slides. To do that, locate and click the Insert tab at the top of the screen. The Insert tab is specifically designed to allow you to add various objects to your presentation, ranging from images to videos and more. After you have opened the Insert section, search for the icon or option that says Video. Selecting Video will reveal multiple choices where you can pick your video source. In this guide, you will be using a specific option known as Stock Video. Stock Video provides a selection of pre-approved footage that can enhance your presentation without the need for external content. Choosing this option ensures a seamless integration process and compatibility with your presentation. Once you have selected stock video, the next step involves choosing the specific video you would like to include. You will be presented with a library of video clips to choose from. Take a moment to browse through the available options and select the video that best fits your presentation needs. After deciding on the video, finalize your selection by clicking Insert. At this point, PowerPoint will begin the process of adding the video to your slide. It is important to allow time for the video to download completely before proceeding. During this downloading phase, ensure that the video is fully loaded so that subsequent adjustments, particularly in the playback settings, are applied correctly. Once the video has finished downloading, direct your attention to another important interface in PowerPoint, the Playback tab. This tab appears once the video is selected and provides numerous options to customize how your video will be displayed during your presentation. Within the Playback tab, find the set of options under the Video Options section. This section is where you can set various preferences for how and when your video plays. One of the key configurations you need to adjust is to have the video begin automatically when the slide appears. This setting is crucial if you want the video to start playing without requiring a manual click from your audience. Therefore, make sure that the option for automatically start is selected. Additionally, for presentations that require continuous playback of the video throughout the duration of the slide, verify that the option for loop until stopped is enabled. When this option is checked, the video will play repeatedly until you manually advance to the next slide. This feature can be very useful for background videos or for ensuring that the key visual continues to engage the audience without interruption. Following these steps will allow you to incorporate a video into your PowerPoint presentation elegantly and set it to play automatically, providing a professional level of interactivity. By carefully managing the insertion process and fine-tuning the playback settings, you enhance your presentation with multimedia elements that load seamlessly and contribute to a smooth overall performance.